In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how we connect to our Raspberry Pi across the network and how we can actually start developing our PHP files. To do this, first of all, we need to open up Finder and use Finder to access the network folder. If you can't see network settings, go to Go and then head down to Network. If your Raspberry Pi has been set up with SAMBA, you'll actually see your LAMP and select the LAMP number that you've been allocated. We'll need to be able to connect, so we click on Connect, and then we'll need to enter the password. You'll remember from our tutorials, we set the username as Pi and the password as Raspberry. And then click on Connect. Once you clicked on Connect, you should actually see the www website. This is what we set up in SAMBA, and you can actually see the start files. We created the original file here, which just echoed out www.lmarsden.com when we set up our LAMP. I'm just going to delete this index2 file. Now that we're connected to our Raspberry Pi and the website directory, we then want to open up Atom, as this will be our web development tool for our personal homepage. Now when Atom opens, I'm just going to close down these folders at the moment, and we're going to open a project. Now the project we're going to open is actually the directory that's on our Raspberry Pi. Because we've connected to the Raspberry Pi through the network, we'll be able to open up the folder that holds our web stack. So we can select the website. So I've got my LAMP 200, my website, and you can see the index.html, and click on Open. I just want to use the existing state of my session. Now once we've opened up the project, I can then select the index.php. You'll notice that this is the code that we wrote in before when we established our LAMP. So if I wanted to echo out another message, I could actually copy this down and just echo out my name. And then I can save that with the command S. So when I go back to my file, you can actually see it in the preview. So when I head back to my actual default PHP page, when I click refresh, you can see that it's been added to the length of the string. Now once you've finished your coding session, you must remember to disconnect. What does that mean? Well, first of all, we need to close down Atom and make sure you've saved all your files. Then we need to actually disconnect from the server by clicking the eject button, and then you can end your session. So I hope you found this tutorial useful in connecting to your LAMP and writing a PHP file.